Alright, I just got done replacing some CCA wire with OFC wire, and let me tell you this, it is much improved, much louder in here with the extra runs of OFC. Now my system is almost 100% complete with OFC, almost. I have a little bit of CCA to replace, but OFC makes all the difference. I mean, it's worth the extra money. I'm about to shoot a little flex video to show you the difference with the OFC. And do y'all remember this? My mids and highs. I was supposed to install them a couple days ago, but they sent me the wrong brackets. They sent me the brackets for the front. I already had the brackets for the front. I need the ones for the back. So I gotta wait a couple more days, which sucks, to install the rest of my mids and highs.
DJ Lil King, what up?
Mall security just pulled up already. Please don't push. God, you see why I can't freaking... Do you see why I never demo really? Do you see why I never really demo? 2 seconds into the flex video, the mall security already pulls up. Oh my God, man, what the freak? I gotta drive all the way to the damn county to freaking shoot a flex video, I guess. But I'm not really doing that. Damn, man. But I'll give y'all like a full demo next time, because I can't do it right now. These freaking mall security cops killing my asses. And like 2 police already know me in the town already, like really good. Actually more than, I think it's like 4 actually know me like really good for my music. They know for my freaking truck. So I gotta go all the way to the freaking county to play my freaking music, which sucks. Oh, and by the way, the reason it took me so long to replace the rest of my CCA wire is because I already had mostly OFC running through this vehicle. I didn't think replacing a few CCA wires would make a difference, you know? So that's why it took me so long to install the rest of the OFC, you know, because I didn't think, you know, replacing that little bit of CCA wire with OFC would make a difference. But only have like I think 1.5 runs of like CCA left. That's probably like freaking, not even that. I think I have like freaking, I think I have like freaking 2 4-foot strands of CCA wire left, and I'm done. After I replace those, I'm done. It'll be a 100% OFC. Anyways, peace.